In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate $1,500 to $2,000 working from your home online. Now, I'm going to show you how to do simple app installs and surveys to generate this kind of income. Now, I know that app installs and surveys isn't the most grandiose and luxurious way to make money, but I'm going to show you a simple strategy on how you can do this. Now, most people are going to promote one particular survey or one app, and they're going to tell you that you can make a crazy amount of money online. The strategy here is you need a list, and I have a personal list of 30 plus apps that I use to generate this money. Now, this strategy was inspired by the subreddit Beer Money, and in this subreddit, it's all about how you can make some small money here and there to get yourself a 6-pack of beer, maybe take your family out to dinner, right? This one particular Redditor listed all the programs that he makes money from and that he made money from in the year 2000. And he breaks it down by month, and he breaks it down by program. And as you can see here, in the month of December here, in this first column right here, you scroll all the way down, his total income was just shy of $1,500. Now, this was a down month for him. As you can see, in November he generated almost $2,000, and all the way over here in August he generated just shy of $2,200. Now, how is he doing this? Again, he's got a list of different programs that he uses to make money. Now, as you can see here, he's from Prize Rebel, he's only making $6, and from Norfolk Research, he's only making $30. But he's nickel and diming it. So he has this huge list of different programs that he works throughout the entire month, and he generates an income, right? Now, take Earning Station here. He made $75. He did that in probably about 20 minutes. He probably filled out 2 or 3 surveys and was able to make $75, right? That doesn't seem like a lot of income, but when you compound it with everything else on the list, he's generating a pretty good income. And $75 for 20 minutes of work is about $115, $120, right? So for 20 minutes worth of work, that's a really good time investment. So he just generates a bunch of lists, and he has all these different ways that he makes money. Now, a lot of people will say that he's making a lot of referrals to get that. And he actually has a line down at the bottom here that says referral earnings. And he's not making a ton of money from referrals. As you can see, in December, which is his best month so far, he made $100. That's it. He didn't make a ton of money from referrals. He's actually doing the surveys, he's doing the app installs, and he's generating this kind of money. And as you can see, he doesn't use all the programs every single month. In fact, in December and in November, he doesn't use nearly 2/3 of his list to make money. He just doesn't use it. And he was able to generate almost $1,500 in a down month of December. Now, how can you do this? Again, I have a list of my top 30 apps that I generate money from. And I'm going to give you a link in the description, and you can get started on this as well. So it's going to take you, if you really grind it out and you sign up to all these, it'll probably take you a day to sign up for everything and get everything going. But I would give myself a couple days and even up to a week. You're not going to be able to generate this $1,500 in your first month, but you'll definitely get the ball rolling, and you'll start to see income, and you'll be able to build up to $1,500 to $2,000 within your first, I'd say, month or two, and start to see this kind of money flow in. Now, what I choose to do is I make money through referrals. So what I do is I don't think that he's capitalizing on his referrals as well as he should. And what I choose to do is I refer people to programs, that list of 30 people like I'm doing to you. I refer people, and I get a cut just for referring somebody. So I could get $1, $2, $5 for referring somebody, or I'll get, say, 10 to 20% of whatever they make. So take Survey Sabi here. He made $35 in the month of December. Now, if I referred him to Survey Savvy, I could make, upwards of $5 for referring him, or I could get 10 to 20%, which is roughly $3.50 to $6 just for referring him. Now, if you have enough referrals, I'm not doing any of the work. You guys are doing all the work, and I get a cut of it, right? That's how that works. Now, if you don't have a good network of people that you can refer to, you can't really get a lot of referral bonuses. And I think that that's what happened with this particular Redditor, is he just chose to do the work himself and make that kind of money. He probably doesn't have a big social following or anything like that he can do. So what I did to get my social following is I started a Facebook group. This Facebook group is Make Money from Your Phone. And within the last, I think it's been about 2 days now, within the last 2 days, I was able to get over 100 members to my Facebook group. And all I did was, I have a list of other Facebook groups. I have a list of about 30 to 40 different Facebook groups in the niche Make Money Online. And I make posts to those groups and try to get them into my group, right? So here's an example of one of the posts that I made to the Facebook group, Apps That Make Money. And all I posted was, I will be releasing my personal list of 30 plus apps that can make you over $1,000 a month. Type yes if you want it. And 114 people so far have commented that they wanted it, right? And when they comment, all I do is I type go here to get it, and I put my personal Facebook group and a link shortener in bit.ly, and when they click on it, they join my Facebook group. In my Facebook group, I have a pinned post that here's the list of the apps and the sites that'll make you daily $100 or more. Comment is in the link. And this is just a simple Blogspot blog. It's a free blog, and it has my list of the top 30 sites that you can get apps and surveys to make that kind of income. Right? Here's another Facebook group, Make Money app, or money making app, and I typed in, I'm signing up to free referrals, US only. I did that because most of the apps and the surveys want a developed country like the United States, the UK, Australia, and that's who they're looking to get traffic from. That's who they want to fill out their offers and things like that. So as you can see, I made this about 3 hours ago, and I've already got 18 comments. And again, all I'm doing is the same strategy. Go here for the details, and here's the again, the link shortener with my Facebook group, right? So that's how you can generate $1,500 to $2,000 every single month, just with simple app and websites. If this is something you're interested in, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and you can get started today. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.